first 2 pages. Go with the giant 2. Nick, where's your workbook? You need your workbook. Come on now. All right. Grab it quick and come right back. And you remember to pick up the first 2 pages. These 2, and you remember how she showed you? Just like that. Just tear those first 2 pages out. Just 2. 1 and 2. That one out. You can do 2 at once. And then you close your workbook and put it under your chair because we're done with this. No, we need the papers here. This goes in there. Keep the papers here. We don't need that workbook though. We've torn out what we need. Annalise does that. Nick, let me. She's doing them one at a time. But it's okay. She's still doing the same with the ones. Now, Nick, please put this under your desk or under your seat.
I'm on the 20th.
21st.
Do I have to put my phone under?
I think so. It'll be easier. And then right next to this giant 2, I want you to put your name. Help.
I have my own.
That's fine. Now put that under your seat. We don't need that. Put that under your seat. No, just under the seat right here. Just tuck it under your chair. And put your name right there, please. Call name. Nick, put your workbook under your seat, please. Yeah, just like under that seat right there. Just tuck it. See what your friends did?
Okay.
Put this under your seat.
Mine's right here.
Oh, put it under my seat. Did you bring a pencil? Here's an extra. Please put your name right there. All right, Camden, it's good. We've got it.
Okay. What is next?
It's okay. Now, flip that first one over. Just flip it right there. We should see the picture of the kids and the apples. Well, just one of them. Kids and the apples. See the picture of the kids and the apples.
Like, is there one eat the apple and the raccoon?
And later there was a raccoon. All right, I want to show you guys something. We are talking about a
I just
yes. That's a good out stamp. Set that down. You had it right. That's the right one. What do you notice about this? What's going on here? What do we see in the picture? You have 4 apples and 4 children, he says. Here's a way we can double check. I want to draw a line from each child to their very own apple. They've given you dotted lines there, but go ahead and trace those. From her to her apple, from him to his apple, her to her apple. And I believe Nick was correct. I believe that there are 4 children and 4 apples. So which one of these words got same, more, fewer? Which one can we use to describe that?
I know.
Same. Give me a whole sentence. There are the same of apples as children. Very good. Is that what you're going to say, Ariana? Oh, we're going to go into that. Yes, we're almost there. Do you guys see the word same? It's highlighted in yellow right here. Let's circle around it. Let's circle the word same because that was a very important word. And there are the same amount of things. It can be 100 and 100 or 1 and 1. As long as it's the same. And then everybody would get one. Or only 2 slices and 2 friends. You're still going to get one, right?
Or 2 apples.
Or 2 apples and 2 friends. Very good.
No, 2 apples and 1 friend.
No, well then we have to cut the apple.
That's
That's right, you would each get one, wouldn't you? There are as many children as apples. It's another way of saying it. Now let's look down here at this one, Natalie. We've got this boy and his apple. We're going to draw a line to each of those. And then this young lady and her apple. And this man, his apple, boy. Uh-oh.
I know.
How can we describe what's happened, Ariana?
One is gone.
There's one girl that didn't get an apple. So which one has more? Apples or children? Children, right? So we could say there are more children than apples. How's another way we can say that using our other vocab word? There are
Fewer.
fewer what?
Apples.
than children. Very good. I want us to circle both of those words, more and fewer. Right down here, you can put a circle around each one, or just put a big circle around both words. Up to you. Very good. Now, goodness. Now, we don't actually need the one. The only other one we're going to need, it looks like this. It has the ducks, and, or there's ducks at the bottom. It has flowers and butterflies.
We just doing two?
Yep. Yep, and then we get to do a little activity. So we're going to look at the one with the butterflies. Can you find the page that looks like this, please? And then, in order to keep track of your papers better, you can just tuck one under the other. If you want to put your name, hold on. If you want to put your name on this one real quick, you can if you do it quickly. Otherwise, as long as they stick together and you don't lose them, it should be fine. Okay. Let me use my little eraser. They're getting poked in the eye. So now I'm on this one too. Annalise, what do we see in this picture? Just tell me something you notice. Butterflies and flowers. We're going to do the same thing we did with the children and the apples. We're going to draw a line so that we can compare. So one butterfly to one flower. One butterfly to one flower. Do I want to start in the middle? No, I'm going to start over at the side like you did, so it's a lot easier for me to compare.
No.
One. I'm not sure. Miss Bushur.
Okay, now what do you do?
A brother.
No, you're gonna clap the cover.
Natalie, give me a sentence describing what you see. What's happened?
Okay, now tap that.
This poor little guy doesn't have one. So how can we describe that?
I got one. There are more.
Right up here at the very top, there's a thing up there.
Fewer,
Yeah, see it, so there's a line up here, and you can kind of feel some buttons up there.
Butterflies than flowers.
Perfect. Annalise, give it to me another way using our other vocabulary.
Okay, you gotta put this in here though, you're not showing this. You gotta
She
put this
used
in.
fewer, you're going to do the
They'll
other
see
one.
it.
There's
They
not the
have to
same
be able to-
as,
You
right?
have to get this in the
So we're talking about
lanes,
more.
okay?
Can you tell me which one has more?
Now scroll down, okay. There you go.
So there are more flowers than butterflies. Very good. So what does this sentence here say, Camden?
There's
Are,
five.
you're right, there are 5 flowers. There are blank flowers than butterflies, and Annalise just told us that there are more. Right? So we're going to spell the word more on that first line. And if you don't know how to spell it, not only is it right here where the raccoon is, but it is written on the board behind me. More. Now, hold on.
No, it's
You might be
not.
right. Let's double check. Paul thinks he knows the answer for the second one. I'm going to do this though because I can't write upside down. Paul, read the sentence, but don't put the word in it yet. Let's do a blank. There are.
There are blank butterflies than flowers.
And what do you think the answer is? Fewer, because there's only 4 butterflies, and 4 is less than 5. So Paul is right. The second answer there is fewer. There are fewer butterflies than flowers, Nick, right? Do you agree?
Yes.
Are there fewer butterflies than flowers?
Yes.
Can you write the word fewer there, please?
No, do
The word few, but then ER. Yeah, fewer. Fewer. Which means less. We're expanding our vocabulary. Just like there's lots of different ways to say things.
I got confused that it was an
Yeah.
Are we ever going to talk about opposites?
Wait, I will do opposites right now. No. So what's the opposite of that?
No,
No.
Yes.
Okay. At the bottom, oh, this might be a little more tricky because now we've got cats, ducks, and fish. So, we can still compare 3 things, can't we? There can still be the same as, or more than, or fewer than. But we're going to look at what 2 animals they want us to look at first. Cat and fish. So the first thing we're going to do is just draw a line from each cat to one fish. Cats are not very good sharers. Each cat gets its own fish. And each fish is small, so it's not going to fill up a cat. So we're going to do just 1 to 1. And you kind of got to go around. Make sure whichever one you're drawing a line from doesn't already have a line connected. Okay, Nick, can you tell me? There are blank cats than fish. Which one? Same, more, or fewer?
one cat didn't get a fish.
One cat didn't get a fish because there are more cats. Do you agree? Are there more cats, Nick?
Okay.
Right? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6 cats. Annalise, how many fish?
No,
Which number's bigger, 5 or 6? Good. So there are more cats. So we're going to write the word more. There are more cats or kittens than fish. There's one cat or one kitten who didn't get to eat.
The eldest gets to have like one fish. One cat is hungry.
Yeah, unless his friend shared with them. Cats are not very good. I got a couple cats. I'll tell you what, they eat what they want. They don't care.
I have 2 cats. Mrs. Bushur, if you let the kitty share, it will work.
Good. Okay. Erase that because we don't quite have that yet. Erase those 2 letters. Camden, can you help me with the bottom one? Now, what do they want us to compare? What 2 animals? How'd you know that? You can see right away without hardly any counting how many ducks are there. 2. We can see that. And how many fish? We already counted the fish. How many was there? I thought there was 5. Check again. But either way, 2 is it fewer than 5 or more than 5? 2 is fewer than 5. Do you agree, Camden? So there are fewer ducks. So less is a good word and less is the correct word, but we're working on new vocab. So instead of saying there are less ducks, we're going to write fewer. So our last answer there is fewer. There are fewer ducks than fish.
You don't.
Are you putting less? Why? Can't give you a stamp until you write the word. You can write less as well, but right underneath it, I need you to write fewer, because that's the word we're working on. When you have that, put those in your mailbox and come back as quick as you can, but that doesn't mean run. And put them in your mailbox safely and come right back. Put them in your mailbox safely and come right back. You can do it quickly, not waiting for my first typer here. F-E-W-E-R. I like that you know both words. Not yet. Not yet. When we switch stations, we'll do that. Right now, I just want your papers in your mailbox. Very good. No, we just can't put your pencil down. It could be too distracting. Let's see. What'd you do? You want to stand? Flip it over. You stand that side, silly. Very good. Put it in your mailbox and come right back. When I hand you your tray, you're just going to set it in front of you. Here. Big boys and girls, you know what to do. Nick, hurry so you can help me. In your mailbox. Number 11 mailbox, and then you come right back.
You get one, right?
I'll get one, because I'm going to show you at first what I'll do. It does kind of look like a tray to put things on. Some of the other kids thought it looked like a doggy treat tray. That's okay. It's just so that our chips don't roll everywhere. Thank you. Chips. Okay. Not eating chips. Bingo chips. Like bingo chips. Okay. Make sure your tray is down.
Like that.
That's exactly what you don't want to do. You see, I turned it from here. If I was down farther, they would have all fallen on the tray, but instead,
Wait a minute.
almost forget what I want. And I think that a really easy way to compare, or to see which one has more or less, is to lay them in a row and match them. And then, look, once I've done that, you can pretty clearly tell that there are what? Fewer what? Fewer yellow. So there's more of what?
Red.
Tell me that in a sentence, Annalise. Either use fewer or more to tell me what I have. Well, depending on which color she picks, she could go either way. There are more red, so tell me the other way then we could say it.
There's fewer yellow.
Very good. Camden, now describe what I have. using our other vocab.
6.
There's the same amount of yellow as red because there are 5 red and 5 yellow. Is 5 the same as 5? What? I'll trade you $5 for $5 then. We have the same amount, don't we? Because those are the same. Okay.
We're gonna say yes.
Yes, yes.
But you can't just keep rolling and coloring in all the other.
So one other thing, when I shake my cup,
Because you cheated, so you
should I do it like this?
because you cheated, so you
We're
watched
gonna
them.
fly everywhere. Nick, I'm over here.
Like
Nick, I'm over here. I'm gonna put my hand on top of it. You shake it like that. And then pour it into my tray.
then
That's all I'm
pour it
gonna do.
in your tray and put them back. Are we getting all?
And you stay around cup. Don't shake as wildly as you can. Right? It only takes a little bit. Make sure you cover it with your hand. That's so flat. And then pour them into your tray. That's enough. It takes a couple of shakes. Now, you can arrange them like I did in a row of yellow and a row of red. Or not. Another helpful way, if you want to put all the reds, and then how they land is how they stay. You don't put them over just in front. You know. So, do you want to put your yellows in a row? Or do you
I put it like this.
Okay, so Ariana is ready to give me a sentence.
There we go.
There's like 3 or 4 good sentences you could do. There's no wrong answer. Just tell me what. Compare your red to your yellow. What do you got? You're gonna put them in a row first. Okay.
There's 3 yellow.
Okay.
Let's see who's
Kind of yellow. These are the red.
So she lines them up like this, and she's gonna tell me a sentence about it.
You don't, okay. You don't have a whole one, so it's your turn. So you it's
4
your turn, so it's your turn, Jersey.
reds than yellow. They have 3.
Okay, what did you
There are more reds than yellows because 4 is more than 3. Very good. Annalise, give me a sentence. Come back to you. Oh, those are kind of faded, huh?
You don't have any more, do you? Okay, it's Owen's turn. So you know you don't have any more threes. Owen's gonna try not to.
There are more yellows than reds. Paul, give me a sentence. Ooh, you have a special sentence. What can you say?
Okay, Owen.
There
What did you get? 6. Do you see a 6 on
are the
Owen?
same amount of red and yellow.
Very good. Natalie, you give me a sentence.
Yep.
I have more yellows. I mean, I have more reds than
You have more reds than
How
yellows.
did it roll the same?
Alrighty, boys and girls, it's time to clean up and put your things away.
You're the only one that
We're not
Put your things away, please.
Yeah, all the stations are done.
And then let's have a
We're done.
seat.
That was all. I wanted to make sure you poured out your things, put them back in the cup. You gotta give me a sentence first, so use the words more or less, or more or fewer. Very good. Put them back. Just put your chips into your cup. Just stack your tray.
Things away.
Stack it right there.
Have a seat over on the carpet spot.
Very good.
dumped it.
Oh, they dumped right in there. Your tray is empty. You're gonna stack it right here. You guys want to read your workbooks? They're under your seats. You guys did excellent. Thank you so much. What? Oh, the cup? Thank you. I think you did great. That was really nice, guys. Just a little bit till recess, so we're gonna go over to the carpet, please. Put it in your mailbox and go sit at the carpet. Do you need help?
Your desk should look just like Paul's and Natalie's and that row and that row. There shouldn't be anything left on your desk. Looking good. Remember, we don't sit in the coat closet because we'll knock the back.